Hello, my dear old and present students. Right from 1992 batches. I have a message to you all. Now, today from Bangalore zone, I'm supporting a network and an NGO, non government organization called as Jeevan Jyoti. Right. And there, from 4 years, they have planned one free education network that supports many of the students all over India for IIT JEE, NEET, bank, and all competitive examinations. That's a trusted brand, and that is supporting all categories of people from all over India. They have analyzed all the effects of COVID 19 on all categories of people. Due to this reason, they have planned one online coaching network called J Class. And they have taken all the people like us into a network called as JNet, and they have prepared a team all over India. All my team members of JNet are working all around this nation, and they are providing free of cost coaching and education support to all categories of people. And in addition to that, they are not charging any fees or any amount as that financial related, right? Just you need to pay 1 rupee per day for only data delivery charges for online charges. Altogether, uh, per 1 year, it could be 375 rupees. Means per day 1 rupee, 365 per year plus a registration charges 10 rupees. They are charging only 375 rupees. So, as you trusted us, as you trusted me all these years, trust J Class and JNet, right? That's a wonderful network, and the team members are very good. And we have signed up. Most of the team members of JNet has signed up with Jeevan Jyoti up to 10 years, means 2030. For each and every stream, like engineering stream, for engineering stream, IIT JEE, right, and for medical, NEET, like that, to all the streams they are giving the support and with the same data handling charges, right? So all you need to pay it is per day 1 rupee for Jeevan Jyoti, only for data handling, and they will look after our salaries and everything. That's different, that's none of your concern, right? And they are not charging even our salaries also from you, right? They are charging only data handling charges. They're handling all that maintenance charges and salaries of people from JNet and everything from their balances and from their funds, right? And they are not giving you any type of burden for all the maintenance charges and material charges and everything, right? So they are not willing to give much burden to the students financially. It's uh, based on a simple fact, like there should be a relation, a holy relation between teachers and students apart from all the things. So, leave all confusions, leave all doubts. Just trust JNet, J Class, and Jeevan Jyoti, like the way you trusted me all these years. Refer J Class to all your friends, to all your brothers, sisters, and to all the people who you know. from 11th standard, 12th standard, or intermediate first year, second year, or PU first year, second year, like that, right? So trust the brand, and it's a wonderful servicing network. I trusted this NGO means you can understand the people and the students who knows me pretty well, they can understand, right? What is that strength of this network? What is the actual passion in that NGO Jivan Jyoti? So, my dear students, you just you just understand that the passion in Jivan Jyoti is much stronger and much heart and much heartful than my passion. So, all my students know what's the passion in me actually, right? But trust, really, I swear, the Jivan Jyoti is a much trustworthy, and the passion in it is much stronger than the passion in me. That's why I joined my hands with this network. So that's all, my dear students. This is the message I would like to deliver to you. Right? All the best. Have a bright future.